In a lush community garden, dedicated nature enthusiasts embark on a creative journey to craft bird baths using recycled materials. They gather old ceramic bowls, discarded metal rods, and colorful glass beads from local recycling centers. By assembling these diverse materials, they create beautiful, eco-friendly bird baths that not only attract a variety of bird species, but also add a touch of artistic flair to the garden. The initiative focuses on enhancing local biodiversity while showcasing how everyday waste can be transformed into functional garden art. Through workshops, they inspire neighbors to adopt sustainable practices, encouraging conservation efforts and nature appreciation.